To sign into Disney Plus with Hulu, start by navigating to the Hulu website or opening the Hulu app on your device. If you have a Disney Plus subscription through the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle, you can access Disney Plus content directly through the Hulu platform. First, ensure you have a Hulu account and are subscribed to the Disney Plus add-on. If you are not subscribed, you can sign up for the bundle on the Hulu website. Once you have the bundle, go to the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Click on the account icon, usually located in the top right corner, and select your profile. If you have multiple profiles, choose the one associated with your Disney Plus subscription. Scroll down to the section that says Manage Add-ons and click on it. In the Manage Add-ons section, look for the Disney Plus option. If you are subscribed to the Disney Plus add-on, you will see it listed here. Click on the Disney Plus icon to access the Disney Plus content. You will be redirected to the Disney Plus homepage, where you can browse and watch Disney Plus content. You can also search for specific titles or browse through the different categories, such as movies, TV shows, and original content. To access your Disney Plus account settings, click on the profile icon and select Account. From here, you can manage your account settings, including your subscription, billing information, and parental controls. It is essential to note that if you have a standalone Disney Plus subscription, you will not be able to access it through the Hulu platform. You will need to sign in to the Disney Plus website or app directly. By following these steps, you can easily sign into Disney Plus with Hulu and start enjoying your favorite Disney Plus content. Remember to always keep your account information and subscription up to date to ensure uninterrupted access to your Disney Plus content through Hulu.